Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on view my related rooms to friends only on your Yalla app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Yalla app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on this picture or your profile. Then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here. Then you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, then you just click here on privacy, and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you come here to view my related rooms, you will click, then it's going to show for you window like this. You will click here on friends only, and like you see now, view my related rooms, it's turned on to friends only here. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. Just follow this ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.